Okay, so I got the solid state drive in the converter screwed into the drive bay unit. So now I'm going to put it in. Let's get it all lined up. Where's the screw holes? Oh, how's that for a rookie move? It comes in from the front. Alright, let's move it in from the front. And it just comes in very easily if you do it properly. Comes in very easily right from the front. Simple as pie, just like that. And then there's 4 thumb screws on each side just to secure it. One, two. So I'll do all the thumb screws later. But now what I have is I have the bottom unit here with the 3 drives in it. So the 2 1 terabyte hard drives and the solid state drive. This is the power lead for the fan. And then I'll have an empty bay here. Just straight air would come through here. And then I'll mount up here in the slot here the DVD Blu-ray player mounted up at the top. Or actually, maybe I'll do it. I haven't decided. Maybe I'll mount it this slot here instead of up here. Oh no, this has a filter, so I do need to mount it here so dust and air won't come in. I'm actually waiting on the motherboard. The motherboard is, and the power supply haven't come in yet. Power supply will go here. And then once that comes in, I think I'm pretty much done till the motherboard comes in. So on to something else.